Hello, I'm David Spindler, Senior Consultant at Inixion Limited, and I'd like to thank you for joining me in this brief introduction to the brand new release of Sage X3 2024 R2. In this video, I'm going to highlight some of the new and exciting functionalities and improvements that have been brought in with this new release. Sage have introduced a new suite of tools for controlling the archiving of data, the Data Management Suite. This suite of tools will allow administrators to identify older data and archive it off to a separate folder whilst maintaining the integrity and normalization of both the existing and the archived data. The thinning of the data will mean that users of the production folder will see less old data when using the system, thus considerably speeding up the responses in both inquiries and screens. The archive data is still held online, allowing for full traceability if required. Once set up, the archiving process can be repeated as required, allowing for regular data thinning on a periodic basis. It is also worth mentioning that the tools will also allow separate companies to be split out into their own folders if required. The e-invoicing framework within Sage X3 continues to be developed and released, working towards the key regulatory deadline dates for European rollout in 2025 and 2026. The creation of the functionality in a framework means that it can be manipulated easily in the event of future regulatory changes and could also be implemented in territories where e-invoicing is not a requirement. In the 2024 R2 release, Sage have improved the management of intercompany invoices within this framework, allowing them to bypass the e-invoicing process. With the release of Sage X3 2024 R2, it is now possible to connect your Sage X3 system to the Sage network. This allows for the seamless transfer of documents between Sage systems irrespective of the Sage software platform that they run. This connection also lays the ground for the planned rollout of AP automation in future releases of the software. Mobile automation continues to be enhanced and improved based on customer and user feedback. In this release, there are improvements to the interface with the display of the site on all pages, and default locations will now be loaded in receipt transactions thanks to an additional option in the setup parameters. In purchase receipts, it's now possible to search by supplier name, and stock counts can be performed by scanning the UPC code of the product. Pick tickets have also been improved by allowing the selection of stock lines in pick tickets with global allocation. This includes the lot and sublot that are being picked. There are also further enhancements to the select by identifier functions, now extending these to both inter-site transfers and miscellaneous issues. A major highlight of the 2024 R2 release that I am particularly excited about is the release of the shop floor control function for the manufacturing module. This is a cloud-based application that connects to the Sage X3 system in real time and is designed to be run on tablets and terminals on the shop floor. The function allows for start-stop type time tracking and finished goods receipts, alongside displaying detailed information of both the work order that is in progress and outstanding work orders that are queued for production. Shop floor control is also highly configurable and allows for dashboard creation and KPI style reporting, with information being delivered directly to the operatives on the shop floor. It can also show real-time management information of the work order in progress to supervisors and production management. Following on from the user interface improvements in 2024 R1, Sage have further enhanced the user experience with enhanced tree view functionality and vertical sizing for grids on screens, allowing for better use of screen real estate. Sage have also released an entirely new log file viewer for viewing and searching for log files, which will be welcomed by support desks and system administrators. Behind the scenes, the application locking has been improved, and MongoDB, the database behind the administration layer of Sage X3, has been upgraded to the latest version. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to know more about these and other exciting features of Sage X3 and to discuss how these can help improve your business, please contact us here at Inixion, where we would be happy to discuss them further with you. Once again, thank you.